True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome to the channel. So I am in the, I think it's a Nain area. Yeah man, chain line with them do the cow skin soup in St. Elizabeth. The best cow skin soup in St. Elizabeth. So yes my people, so I go on to this area after burial, leave Jamaica, hit Jamaica. Yeah man, so this is what Jamaica look like in the St. Elizabeth area. So big up on yourself anyone I watch from here and abroad. You can big up on yourself. If you learn something about Jamaica, you know this area, leave in the comment section. Remember to like and share the videos so people from all over the world can see what take place. And also it helps the channel to grow. So thank you again for your support. I really appreciate it. If it wasn't for you guys, this channel would not be growing. So thank you a lot. Really appreciate it. The people still there, them shop a hustle same way. Try to make extra dollar. Cause you know a lot of places don't have current, a lot of places don't have phone service in St. Elizabeth area. So if you try to reach out to your loved one, family, friends in a St. Elizabeth in some area, you're not gonna get any service. So a lot of people leave worried. They are worried of what taking place, not hearing from their friends. Come through, bossy, take your time and go through. Don't know if any debris or anything in the road, so you have to be careful. Watch your speed. Watch your speed limit. I think them call them place a crossroad and Nain. Yeah man, this is when I come to the crossroad close to Alpart area. Yeah man. Welcome you to Nain. So we're in the Nain area, same way, heading down towards the Alpart Road area entrance. See a lot of trees down on the two sides of the road. See what I go on the Alpart area, down power lines. You can see it there. So I'm gonna make a right turn, will take us all to the speed bump area. Straight ahead we'll take us to, I think it's a no, it's a Myersville area. Yeah, Myersville. Yeah man, so we'll go over the speed bump here now. Yeah, so them cars speed bump, you know. Heading close to, what I hear the name again, man. I try to remember the turn off. New building. Yeah, the left turn that take you all to new building. Yeah man, so thanks for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.